Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HMD Pulse Plus, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list, of course, we have to scroll and find sound and vibration. Then let's localize full ringtone for the first or second SIM card. In this device we can divide it, so it is quite nice. You can set totally different ringtone for the first and different ringtone for the second SIM card. Let me show you how to do it using the first one. For example, just tap on it, and as you can see, after tapping you will see the list of pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the top we've got the option none, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify you about the incoming call. And at the bottom we've got add ringtone option, which means that we can choose something from our internal storage. If you've got something, for example, downloaded, it will appear in one of those folders and you can set it as a ringtone. But let me choose something from pre-installed ones, and in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to tap on it. So for example, this one, whatever, just find it, tap on it and decide whether you like it or not. And after deciding, let's pretend I want the soft mine to be applied. Make sure that it is marked and tap on OK. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, and it means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone whilst to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.